problem number 24, again, we're just going to multiply the denominator, whoops, by that same square root. And whatever I do on the bottom, I have to do on the top. Now we know that the square root of 45 times the square root of 45 is 45. All right, well, what's 5 times 45?
200.
Yeah, that's a lot. So 5 times 45 is 225. 225, but remember, that's the square root. Now, you may not know this off the top of your head, but I'm going to do this real quick. If I say 10 times 10, or 10 squared, I get 100. If I say 11 squared, that's 121. If I say 12 squared, that's 144. If I say 13 squared, I believe that's 169. Let's see. I'm just going to start doing these in the calculator and we'll see what we get, okay? So if I say 13 squared, I get 169. If I say 14 squared, I get 196. If I say 15 squared, guess what I'll get? 225. So 15 squared is 225. So what does that tell me about the square root of 225? So this is 15 over 45. Are we done?
No, I gotta reduce.
No, we got to reduce. If I divide the top by 15, I get 1. If I divide the bottom by 15, I get 3. So this reduces down to 1 over 3. Does that make sense?